Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this Corel is for Corel 2021 only. It's the new Page Docker. If you go under Windows Docker, I don't ever use Pages, but this is getting to be kind of fun. You know, if you want to go to page 3 with the red dot, you just click on it. You can have multiple page view, and what I like about it, I was having trouble zooming in and out. Well, if you go to the zoom tool and go right here, zoom to all pages. You know, in before you would have to go copy and paste to put this brown boat on another page. Well, now you just have to hit the plus sign and just move it to the other page. And I mean, you can do anything you want. Just hit the plus sign to make a copy of it and put it in there. So you can really look, you know, like we said yesterday, you could have columns, you can have them vertically, horizontally, you know, like I just said about zooming in because I was having a little bit of trouble. And if you just want to look at one page, you can just click on that one page and go back to page view and zoom in on that page. But really now that with this working, you know, you can work on that page in its full size page 2. And if you happen to need that red circle and you don't want it on that page, you can just move it to this page. If you want to copy, just hit the plus sign and move it to that page. And of course, go to object order and back a page so the ship shows up or the little boat. So that's the Page Docker in 2021. Pretty cool stuff. I might even start using more. I've used 2 pages before, but never 4. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.